Hey everyone, are you seeing the message this item is not available in your country when trying to download apps or content from the Google Play Store? This usually happens because of regional restrictions, licensing rules, or your Google Play country settings. In this video, I'll explain why this error appears and show you simple step-by-step ways to fix it. Solution 1. Clear cache. First, go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now find and tap on the Play Store, then go to storage and tap on clear cache and clear data. Solution 2. Use a VPN. Download a reliable VPN app from the Play Store. Open the VPN and connect to a country where the app is available. You can connect USA. These methods will help you fix the item is not available in your country error. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.